So hi guys, this is Navdeep Singh. Thank you for clicking this thumbnail. Today we are talking about Canada tourist visa refusal, and we will see what could be or what could have been the reasons your visa application has got refused. So there are certain decision making factors which visa officers consider while taking the decision. There could be like your purpose of visit, your immigration status in the home country or your country of residence. So your economic establishment in India, which includes your business, your job and the other income sources from where you are earning the income, your personal ties and personal assets to India. Personal assets means you have the property on your name, you have the other commercial businesses or other commercial properties on your name which are some or the other way helping you, or they're also demonstrating that you've invested in India, obviously with some intention that you will stay here for longer. So the other thing is travel history. If you have traveled to any other country before submitting this visa application, it really plays a role in some of the cases. For example, if you are your purpose is solely to visit Canada for tourism purposes. So if you are applying to Canada for the very first time, if you have never traveled to any other country where it is much more affordable for Indian nationals to visit for tourism purposes. So if you have not done that, you have not demonstrated that you are a frequent traveler. So these are certain things which plays a role, and in case you have not enclosed the income tax returns for last 3 years in the visa application, I think it is most likely your visa application will be refused. And why I am saying it so shortly, because this is the number one thing which impressed the visa officer. If your profile is sort of where you are a working professional, for instance, it will definitely impress the visa officer because they need surety that you'll come back to India. Having property on the name is a good thing, but it will not ensure that you'll return back immediately, because you have to have some urgency. So business is something which is if you will ensure that, if you will demonstrate that it is already running smoothly or getting or generating good income. So obviously if you are in Canada, it would be very tough to crack a job and everything. So a successful business in India will motivate you to come back. So that will create an urgency for return immediately. If you missed out on some documents which we discussed and your application is refused, now you can go back and check your visa application. Now if you have any queries, you can definitely get in touch with us also. We can definitely help you to get the visa. Thank you so much.